America was not built by comfort. It was built by people who had nothing to lose. They crossed oceans they had never seen before, toward a land they only knew through hope. Not because it was easy, but because staying was harder. They arrived with empty pockets, heavy accents, and hands that were ready to work. Not for comfort, but for survival. Factories roared day and night. Railroads cut through endless land. Farms were carved out of dust and pain. There were no guarantees, only effort. And somehow, that effort built a nation. America didn't grow because life was balanced. It grew because people were hungry. Hungry for opportunity, hungry for meaning, hungry for something more than survival. Time passed. Cities rose higher, machines grew faster, lives became easier. And slowly,
check the alignment on that.
Almost invisibly,
It's off by a hair.
something
Adjusting.
changed.
Specs say 2.5, we're at
Comfort
2.3.
arrived. Not all at once, but quietly. A safer job instead of a risky dream. Entertainment instead of curiosity. Convenience instead of effort. No one noticed the shift, because comfort never feels dangerous. Offices replaced workshops. Screens replaced silence. Routine replaced purpose. People stayed busy, but stopped building. Comfort didn't destroy ambition overnight. It erased it slowly. Day by day, choice by choice. Until years passed, and nothing had changed. History has seen this pattern before. Great civilizations don't fall from invasion. They fall from inside.
Reports are coming in of strange lights in the sky.
When struggle disappears, growth follows it. When growth stops, decline begins. Abandoned factories tell the story. Empty streets whisper it. Cracked pavement remembers it. Progress paused, momentum lost. Not because people were weak, but because life became too easy to question. Comfort makes today feel safe, but it quietly steals tomorrow. It convinces people to settle, to wait, to delay the hard decision one more year, until the future never arrives. But history also leaves us a warning. Every rise begins the same way, with discomfort, with uncertainty, with someone willing to walk forward alone. The question is not whether history repeats. The question is, who chooses to break the pattern? Because comfort has a price, and history always collects. This is not politics. This is not hate. This is history, telling us what comes next, if nothing changes.
History is clear. No nation collapses because of enemies alone. They collapse when people choose ease over effort, comfort over courage. And now the question remains, will America wake up?